lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a morning routine. Today is Taylor's first day eating food, so let's get into it. Let's go. First, let me get Taylor. Where's Taylor? Taylor. No, I forgot. Taylor. Oh no. Oh no, Taylor. Please don't cry. Taylor, so since you know Taylor is a girl. And first let me get some apple slices. Oh, let me eat this one. Mmm, so delicious. I like apple slices. Bowl. Okay, now let's see. Let's see what Taylor's reaction is. Taylor. Let's eat. What? Oh, I think if we rate this at 10 out of 10, she likes it. Okay, so, yeah. Let's put that right there. Just gonna eat her leftovers. It's kind of yummy though, because I like apple slices. I'm gonna wash dishes. So I'm done washing dishes. So